Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about Frobenius solution. Okay, first we will define ordinary and singular points. For an ODE like this, P of x and Q of x are analytic at x naught at the center of the power series. Then it is called ordinary point. Okay, x naught is called regular singular point if x naught is not ordinary and these two are analytic. Okay. This is first order x minus x naught, and here the power is 2. Okay, then it is called regular singular point. If both are not applied, then we will call it as irregular singular. Okay, let's consider this equation ODE. This is called Cauchy-Euler equation. Okay, we can find that x naught is singular point for this equation. Okay. Okay, by verification, we can see we can substitute y is equal to x power r to find the solution for this ODE. Okay, we will get a polynomial, we can get a quadratic equation in R. If we solve this quadratic equation, we will get roots R1 and R2. There are three possibilities for these two roots. Both are real and not equal, real and equal, and both are complex. If both are not equal, then real, then we will get two solutions, two independent solutions. If both are equal, then these are the two independent solutions, x power r and log x to the into x power r. Okay. If both are complex, then these two are the solutions for the above equation. Okay. Now consider here b of x and c of x. B of x is a power series and c of x is a power series with coefficients bi and ci. Okay, we can verify that x naught is regular singular point for this ODE. Okay, well, let's define this I of r as given. Okay, we look for the solution of this ODE. Let's look for the in this form. Y is equal to sigma an x power n plus r. Okay, if we substitute this equation in the given ODE, then we will get a power series, and we will equate each coefficient of the power series to 0. Okay, let's equate x power r coefficient to 0. Then we will get I of r into a naught is equal to 0. So I of r is equal to 0. We will get two roots for the equation r1 and r2. Okay, if we equate x power n plus r coefficient is equal to 0, we will get this equation. Okay, next we got two roots r1 and r2. If suppose r1 is greater than r2, then we can find an if we substitute r1, then we will get an to the r1. Okay, next for r2 there are three cases. The difference between is not an integer and both are equal, and the difference is equal to integer. Okay, let's solve each case, okay, separately. Next, if difference is not an integer, we will get two solutions like this. Okay, if both are equal, the second solution will look like this, and first solution is already we got it. Okay, if r1 and r1 minus r2 is an integer, then the second solution will look like this, which contains two terms. Okay, for the Cauchy-Euler equation is this, and we got the solution like this. This solution is known as Frobenius solution or fractional power series solution. Okay, we will in the next video we will discuss about how we got these three solutions. Okay, thank you.